Thomas has never felt happier in his life.
I know.
Thomas, how do you feel?
Did you feel good? Yeah, they're right.
It was supposed to be a microphone. Nah. Bruh. I would literally sell my M3 right now. That's too clean.
I'm sore.
They're gonna get him.
I think.
Do a pull! They're lining up.
Oh, they're gonna slow people down.
They're gonna race. Turns around.
They got turning radius, bro. Get him. He's like, where'd he go?
He's not gonna get him.
Oh, no,
He's not gonna get him. He's gone.
He's gone.
He already hit a tree or something.
They raced on the track.
He had all 9 RPMs and he didn't use not one. All 9. Yo, talk to your people. Why does he have junkyard engine?
Doesn't belong.
Thomas is feeling it though. Look at Thomas. Thomas is okay with it. You look like you're feeling it. You're just boogieing to the beat.
Look at that. Crush this guy. I'd pull forward.
Yeah, I'd pull forward. Yo, I'd pull forward.
Pull forward.
Bro, this guy is dumb.
A little more. There you go.
If your quarter gets crushed, that's honestly on you.
Freaking crazy. I kind of want to see him leave. American. I don't know. He definitely can't go under some bridges in parking garages.
Big exhaust
Really?
tips
Parking
means
like this. Yeah, it's like this. And then his wife brings the Camaro. No, it's just like it.
that's real hardwood.
Yes, it is.
They made it out of real hardwood. Look, knock on it.
It's ripped.
Dude, this guy's on Adam LZ's level. But he got a toaster oven in the back.
Oh yeah.
Got a toaster.
He's wearing $1,600 shoes.
All right, so that was Cars and Coffee. Really nice to get back into the scene again. I haven't been there since, I don't know, either coronavirus or ever since this car's been down, I'm not sure. So it's been a long minute for me, and I went with some friends, and I didn't really record much. I just really wanted to enjoy the show, and it was actually a pretty good turnout today. Really glad that I went, and I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep, so shout out to Coffee. Found out today that my brake pads need replacement when my calipers started rubbing against the rotor itself, so that was beautiful. All right, so I quickly hopped in the Prius because as I was driving back, my brake pads in the front just completely got roosted. Like, I was literally scraping metal against metal. All right. No. My rotors in the front are ZCP 46M3 rotors. I went and got some like generic whatever brake pads. Gold something from Advanced Auto. Complete crap, I think, but it's fine. I'll just wait until I buy some Ikibonos or something, or it'll do for now. But more importantly, we're gonna have brakes again. Honestly, brake shops isn't even that bad, like, at all. The worst part is taking this clip off right here. I don't know, for me, it was so tough. I don't know why. And the, what's it called? Like, undoing the pad over there. Or not the pad, like, the actual cylinder. Like, pushing that thing in. That was the worst. I don't know why, like, I mean, you just need the proper tools, probably, but otherwise, she's ready to go. A bunch of pad life left. Looking good. Because this chunk was done. Like, look at this crap. Wait till you guys see the other side. The other side, just death. So this is how the other side looked. So bad. It was literally metal against metal. I only literally heard it like last moment. Anyway, today's 4th of July. For you guys are watching this video today. 4th of July, me and my friends were celebrating today. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy 4th of July. No, everybody stay and record. Just everybody record. calm down. So we got pulled over for not doing donuts.
Crazy.
David.
Hey.
We got pulled over for not doing donuts.